Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Sumaya.
Very good. Your name is Sumaya. Okay. I will show you small fish. Please look here. Sumaya, do you like small fish?
Yes.
Okay, very good. You like small fish. My
I love my
younger daughter, she love small fish. That's why I caught small fish. Have a look. And my daughter, he really like small fish. That's why I went to my pond and I caught lot of small fish. And please tell me how is looking this fish. My dear brothers and sisters, tell me how is looking. Ekdom totally fresh. Please tell me how is looking this fish and how fresh. Totally fresh. And I love, not only me, everybody love. I have to finish here. See you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.